So beyond the classroom learning, which we have, developed a kind of a note of Education 4.0, where we have introduced a lot of concepts in flip-based learning.
Yes.
But if you want the things to happen, it will happen if you. And we have a very wonderful team at both of the schools, and we had tie-up with Microsoft team. Microsoft license we have. So it's a kind of a campus agreement in all our institutions are signed.
Today we are with the man who has brought about a change in the system of education. From a college, a school, and another college. He has achieved it all. He does it so effortlessly like it's child's play. Please welcome Mr. Rakesh Tai.
Yeah, good morning. Thank you.
So we have some questions for sir, and we know that audience want to know a lot of things. Let's start.
Yeah, please.
The first question is, so being an educationist, briefly describe what does education mean to you? How is education different at Pite Sanskriti schools?
Yeah, education is it's a kind of a transformation of mankind. How we can transform humans, the way they think, the way they behave, the way they carry themselves in their life. Education plays a very important role. Normally, what happens is the people think that education is more or less appearing some kind of examinations, cramming some things, and just doing it for a semester or a year, or doing a particular course. It is not that. It is more sustainable. It should carry with their life. It should help them in every walk of their lives. So because the people can recognize by talking to you and by talking to someone, like whether the person is educated or not. At Pite, at different both the schools, we have inculcated this kind of behavior in the students. Okay, fine. The most important things which we want from the student is the confidence. It's the know of different things. It could be beyond the syllabus, right? The kind of curriculum, the syllabus which CBSE gives to us, that is not the kind of a limit which up to which we put our things into
So
how we
trying to do
conduct the
more
classes. Yes.
for children.
Yes. So it is about knowing the things by themselves, experiencing the things themselves by
Experiential learning.
experiential learning, project-based learning.
Yeah.
And it is beyond the classroom learning. So beyond the classroom learning, which we have developed a kind of a note of Education 4.0, where we have introduced a lot of concepts in flip-based learning,
Yes.
in blended learning. And nowadays, because of this pandemic, we have also developed hybrid model classes. So hybrid model classes, once we will be welcoming the students in Fab. So yes. So then we will be having this concept wherein we will be having all both the things, online classes as well as the actual classes. So that will be entangled in such a way both the students can interact with the teachers, and the teachers can interact with all the students.
So talking about Pite Sanskriti School Hudda, what do you think are the unique features of this school and features that are only available in this school across the city, and you think that are not available anywhere else? So we would like to know about that.
I have traveled to so many countries and seen so many schools, universities. Then I also wondered the people talk about all this kind of thing, experiential learning, project-based learning. They talk about all this kind of blended learning. Then I thought that how we can do it, how we can implement it. Then you need to have LMS system, the learning management system, to in place. Then you need to give the material to the students beforehand, and then you can have some kind of a representation in the classes, the group classes. The classes orientations need to be changed.
The traditional system has to be changed.
Yes.
The chain has to be broken.
Yes. So that was a kind of a thing which is the prerequisite for all this kind of things to happen.
So you did that. You believe that?
Yes. The thing is, then there is a resistance to change as well. If you talk to the teachers also, you talk to the principal also, they will have the things. Okay, fine. The teachers are more complacent with things like
old methods.
Yes, the old methods. Then it is very difficult to break that chain. But if you want the things to happen, it will happen and we have a very wonderful team at both of the schools. The teachers were very excited about how to do this. and they learn very fast because we had all that stuff of e-learning concept going on in college. So the transformation was very easy, and it happened at very fast pace. And but the thing is, like, and then this pandemic happened. So for us, like, we were already prepared to take the classes online and things like that.
So was it a comfortable change for you during pandemic, or was it just a hurdle that you came out stronger out of?
I would say it's a blessing in disguise for us.
Okay.
Because the people were not taking it, because when it comes to the parents, when it comes to the students, if we say that, okay, fine, we want to take you online as well, the people, and you will not, they will not buy this idea. They will prefer to have.
Our school was the first school to incorporate a lot of classes in one single day. Is this
Yeah.
correct? Online
Yeah.
classes I'm
Yeah.
talking about. So, audience, Pai Sanskriti schools were the first schools during pandemic time to start a number of classes in just one single day.
एक जैसे कि आपको मालूम है कि मैंने आपको इससे पहले भी बताया कि इन आवर कॉलेज वी वर डूइंग इट, हमारे सारे जो लेक्चर्स थे सब रिकॉर्डिंग्स होते थे, एंड वी हैड टाई अप विद माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट लाइसेंस वी हैव. So it's a kind of a campus agreement in all our institutions are signed. So the thing is using that kind of a thing, because we had all that training, already we have given that training to the teachers. तो अब ये चीज़ें हम उसको वैसे ही करना चाह रहे थे, because we wanted to move into education 4.0. तो और ये सब चीज़ें हो गई
Right.
और ये किसी ने प्रेडिक्ट नहीं किया था, और ये सब चीज़ें हुई. तो पर लेकिन अब देखिए क्या है, अभी दोबारा से सिचुएशन दोबारा से नॉर्मलाइज हो रहा है. तो जब दोबारा से सिचुएशन नॉर्मलाइज हो रहा है, तो अब हमारे पास दोनों चीज़ अवेलेबल हैं. आपके पास ऑनलाइन भी अवेलेबल है, ऑफलाइन भी अवेलेबल है. तो अब आपके पास स्टूडेंट्स के पास ज़्यादा रिसोर्सेज हैं. ठीक है.
Right.
तो अब हमेशा जब भी कुछ होता है कि आपके पास एक छोटा मकान है, आप एक बड़ा मकान बनाना चाहते हैं, तो हो सकता है कि कुछ दिन आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगी, जब आपको लगेगा कि हाँ, मेरे को कंफर्टेबिलिटी से मेरा बेडरूम नहीं मिला, या मेरे को किचन में प्रॉब्लम आई, या और चीज़ों में प्रॉब्लम आई. बट लेकिन ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम यू विल फील नाइस कि अब आप यू हैव मूव्ड इनटू अ बिगर हाउस, बिगर कंफर्ट्स आर अवेलेबल टू यू, एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर. तो यही एक चीज़ें हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पैंडमिक इट हैज़ अफेक्टेड सो मेनी पीपल इन दिस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स, कि लोगों को दिक्कतें आई हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि ऑनलाइन में लोगों को दिक्कतें नहीं आई हैं. बहुत से लोगों के पास इंटरनेट सुविधाएं इतनी ठीक नहीं थी, कुछ लोगों को इतनी इन चीज़ों के बारे में नॉलेज नहीं थी, तो उनको भी एक समझाना था, उनको भी एक सिस्टम में लेके आना था. तो दिस वर द प्रॉब्लम्स. बट लेकिन अब जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, तो प्रॉब्लम से निकल चुके हैं, एंड नाउ यू हैव टू क्लाइंब द राइट पाथ, और द फ्यूचर इज़ वेरी ब्राइट इन दिस. तो आपके पास अब एक्सपर्ट्स हैं, आप ऑनलाइन में जोड़ सकते हैं, कहीं से भी एक्सपर्ट्स को आप ऑनलाइन से जोड़ सकते हैं, जो पहले आप नहीं सोचते थे, बिकॉज दैट व्हाट particular window was closed. But now you have more windows open, so that these kind of windows will definitely help education to grow